Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you batch transfer in Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to batch transfer in Bitget Wallet, you just simply have to open the Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the Bitget Wallet, you will get to see a lot of options. You just simply have to select this wallet at the bottom right corner. After tapping into there, you will get this tools section. Tap to tools and select this batch transfer into here. Just simply tap to batch transfer and it will open this site of Bitget Wallet. Now in here, you can select your network from this section. Just simply select your network. I'm leaving it as it is, and after that you have to enter your receiving address into this box. Just simply do that and select the amount. Then this option of transfer into the bottom right will be available. Tap into there and your batch transfer will be successful. This way you can very easily batch transfer into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.